I'll be teaching how to solve the 3x3 Rubik's Cube using the Petrus method. First, you solve a 2x2x2 block. Then you extend the 2x2 block to a back F to L pair. If the F to L pair is here, then you must put the F to L pair like this. Then you continue with the last F to L pair. When you finish the last second, you must do the, if you're lucky you can do these two together, but you can, if you're not lucky, you can do like the normal F to L. Then you do hollow and pillow.